Hello guys. So in this session, we are going to learn how to install Grafana on Ubuntu. So as you can see here, I mentioned some steps how to install Grafana. So first of all, if you want to install the latest version of Grafana, then you can go to this official site of Grafana and you can install from here. So as you can see the setup here, setup for install Grafana for Debian or Ubuntu, and you can see here some operating system here, right? So if you use Ubuntu, then you can click on here, and as you can see, install Grafana or Debian or Ubuntu. So as you can see the steps, so first of all install the prerequisites, then GPG keys, then install Grafana, right? So let's start. So as you can see here, I successfully connected to my terminal, and now I'm going to install Grafana. So first of all here, as you can see, add the Grafana GPG keys in Ubuntu using wget. So I'm going to add GPG keys. Then next is here. Next, add the Grafana repository to your apt sources using this command. So enter for continue. So as you can see, it's downloading. So yeah, it's almost done, right? Okay. Now the next step is we need to refresh your apt cache to update your package list. So for that we need to update our system package. So as you know how to update, so first of all I'm going to clear my screen and let's update our system package. So the command is sudo apt update. So as you can see, it's done. Now the next step is here. As you can see, you can install now, proceed with the installation. So we are going to install Grafana using this command, sudo apt install Grafana. So yes, if you want to install, then hit Y. So I want to install. So as you can see, it's installing Grafana. So it takes few seconds to install. So yeah, it's done as you can see. Okay, now the next step is here. You can see once Grafana is installed, use systemctl to start the Grafana server. Next to it, and then verify the Grafana is running or by checking the service status, that means status or enable. So let's start our Grafana server first. So yes, now let's clear the screen. And now firstly, I'm going to enable my Grafana. So the command is sudo systemctl enable Grafana server. Okay, now let's check the status of our Grafana. So how to check? So the command is sudo systemctl status Grafana server. So as you can see, it's active running. And you can see the time 23 seconds ago. That means just right. You can see the task, memory, CPU, and so on. That means we have successfully installed Grafana on our Ubuntu. Now, let's access this Grafana in our browser. So how to access? So as you can see, access the Grafana dashboard. So open your favorite browser, type server IP or name followed by Grafana. Default port number is 3000. So first of all, when we launch our instance, we need to open a port on security group. The port number is 3000, right? When we launch our instance, we need to open this port in our security group. So here, how to access Grafana server on our browser? So first of all, you need to copy your instance IP, then hit on browser, and the port number is 3000. So as you can see, it's loading. So welcome to Grafana. So as you can see, the Grafana UI, that means first of all, we need to log into Grafana. So how to log in? So the default username and password is admin. After that, you need to reset your password for the security. If you don't want, then you can skip from here. So as you can see, this is the Grafana UI, right? That's the Grafana dashboard. That means we have successfully installed Grafana in our Ubuntu instance. But remember one thing, when we install Grafana, so when we launch our instance, we need to open a port on security group 3000 because Grafana's port number is 3000. Okay, so we have successfully installed Grafana.